Carbon monoxide alarm. Our latest conversions are fitted with a carbon monoxide alarm. Designed for early detection of carbon monoxide, in normal mode the unit will be silent with a green LED flash each minute. If the alarm chirps once a minute without a light, this indicates low batteries, a fault, or the unit's end of life. Check the expiry date, as this unit will eventually need replacing. If the siren repeats a 4-beep pattern with a red LED flash each minute, carbon monoxide has been detected, and you should take emergency procedures and exit the vehicle. The manufacturer advises you test the unit weekly. Use the Test Reset button to check the siren and power supply. Please read the full manual provided for your alarm. For more details, please refer to your handbook.